All right, so this is the first look and one of the only looks I've seen this week for the Commodore Vanderbilt in the Flying Dutchman Halloween configuration here. So again, this is from this year. They are labeling it Vision Line. Won't get into that. What I would like to add is I really appreciate the styrofoam and foam coffin these Vision Line engines come in. I'm out in the Southwest. I know 99% of you are East Coasters, and so you don't have these issues, but man, I get so many of these things in boxes of pieces because they just tear themselves up in transit. But let's check it out. Start with the tender here. Sweet. Little details, love that. Looks great, appears to be in one piece, which is a plus. So really all anybody's seen of these is from a convention Lionel was at last month. And they were sitting on a shelf. I briefly glanced by them and it looked even lighter purple than this. Almost like a powder. Check out the engine. Get up there. All right. Okay, that's pretty cool. The Flying Dutchman. Schmutz there. Clean that off. But again, looks awesome. It's funny, you get so much complaining about colors on the internet, but just if the light's hitting that right, that looks blue, this looks purple. I assure you they're the same color. Let's flip it around. Very cool. Excited to hear the legacy sounds tied to this one as well. Nothing worse when you pick up another Halloween variation and it's got the same sound as your last two. So hopefully they've been upgraded. I'm not sure. I'd say that dimpling is way more muted on this one. You don't see as much of that as some of the other variants. It was in your face, but it's awesome. We'll get some videos of it running later. I had 2 minutes to myself after the Thanksgiving holiday here and thought I'd finally unbox it. So yeah, looking forward to this one. Very cool. Well, hope you guys enjoy. Any other questions or additional pictures, just let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.